I hope to subscribe to the channel and activate the bell button to receive all new updates. Here, my dear friends, is the interpretation of seeing cleaning the refrigerator in a dream. I saw a woman cleaning the refrigerator in a dream. It means that she actually wants to get rid of the people around her. I mean, haters or envious people of this lady. Or she wants to get rid of the sins and wrong actions that she actually commits. She has a strong desire to get rid of the crises, problems, and difficulties in her life. The vision also indicates that she is seeking to forget what happened to her in the past and the start of a new period for her. For a man, if he sees that he is cleaning the refrigerator in a dream, this means that this man's desire is to settle down in his life quietly. He wants comfort, and he wants psychological comfort in his life. Seeing the refrigerator being cleaned means that the dreamer is going through a crisis and is doing his best to solve it. The vision also has a meaning for a man or a woman. He wants to get rid of all the bad habits that he has in reality, and his desire to get rid of the sins or enemies surrounding him in his life. Any. The meaning of the vision means that the vision also indicates washing or cleaning the refrigerator. This means that the expatriate will return to his family in the coming days. He will obtain a prominent position due to his excellence in his field of work, his need for care, help, support, and attention, and his striving and planning to achieve his dreams and goals. The vision also indicates the purification of money from suspicions and salvation from entering into a losing trade. The dreaming person needs care, attention, and kindness, a sign that he wants to solve his problems, and he wants a new, better life. And seeing him clean the refrigerator, I mean the person who is getting married to a relative, he has desirable qualities that he wants, meaning his desire for extreme stability in his life and the desire to get rid of his problems. I hope the explanation has been useful to you. Thank you very much.